All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go over what a CPDP is. First, you need to navigate to the portfolio folder. Click on that. When you get here, you will see Career Pathway Development Plan, CPDP. There's a Form A and a Form B. Here's some examples here. Let's go ahead and look at what a CPDP looks like. This will be the form that you have. When you open it, it will have a couple of questions on it. The Form A, you need to say what technical area and what student your student name is. You will be filling in these boxes. It says, I was surprised to learn in this shop that. You will continue that. My strengths related to this field are. I would like to be in the shop because. What skills would you need to improve to be successful in the shop? That is Form A. Form B is similar, but there's a key difference. On Form B, it is, I was surprised to learn in the shop that my strengths related to this field are, but the difference is I would not like to be in the shop because. And still you have to answer what skills would you need to improve to be successful in the shop area. So that is Form B. Form A are shops that you like. So they could be first choice, second choice. Form B are shops that you do not want to be part of. So you will do 2 Form A and 2 Form B. Here's some examples of Form A. In Form A, we see that this student said, I was surprised to learn in this shop that in this shop, students get to participate in many informational and explorative activities while in the shop. My strengths related to this shop field are knowledge of the related science concepts, and understanding of outdoor concepts, and appreciation of nature. It says, I would like to be in this shop because I enjoy the concept of this shop, and I am interested in learning new things that are taught in this class. The curriculum of this class makes me excited to learn, whereas in another shop, like broadcast media, I would have a difficult time enjoying the class. I anticipate that in this shop, I will walk away from it with lots of useful information. I also appreciate the atmosphere of this class. When I attend the shop, it didn't feel like I was at school because I was having fun and exploring. I loathe the idea of having a desk job and sitting around all day. I would much rather have a job that I love doing and where I can be outside. This is why I would like to be in the shop. They go on to say, what skills would you need to improve to be successful in the shop area? I need to improve in quite a few areas, as I have never been in a class specialized for this certain area. I still have a lot to learn. I need to learn more about the science portion of the class, as well as many things needed to progress in this class. Something that I have to highlight with this one here is that you should notice that they knocked broadcast media. You do not want to say anything negative about any other shop. Another thing is saying, I loathe the idea of having a desk job. Even though environmental science does deal with nature, there are many jobs where you will be at a desk. So try to avoid saying something like that. An example of Form B is here. It says, students were able to do hands-on activities with mannequins. In this class, I got to learn the basics of working with hair and the safety rules in a typical workplace. I was surprised that students were able to work with the mannequins because of the virus. but I was excited to learn that we would still be able to use them. I have some knowledge of the different things done in this shop, such as makeup, hair, nails. So they say some positive things. These are great. Then remember, this is the one where they do not want to be part of the shop. It says, I would not like to be in the shop because I do not enjoy doing the things involved in the class, and I cannot see myself doing any of those things for my career in the future. Experimenting with makeup, hair, and nails is fun, but I could not see myself doing it for a living. This is a very good way of saying that they do not want to be in the shop. Do not say anything negative about any shop because, again, teachers talk to each other. So that is what you're going to do. You need to do 2 CPDPs for A, 2 CPDPs for B. You can submit them here, but most importantly, you must link them on your portfolio. If you have any questions, make sure that you take the time to ask.